In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to your Odoo website. If you want to make your website more visual and engaging, adding an image is one of the easiest ways to do it. Odoo makes this process very simple with its built-in website editor, and in this guide I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can place a photo exactly where you want it on your page. To begin, open Odoo and click on the website app. This will take you to your website dashboard or directly to your site, depending on how your setup is configured. Once you're there, navigate to the page where you want the image to appear. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct page before you start editing, especially if your site has multiple sections or menus. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Edit. This switches the page into editing mode and gives you access to the content blocks and customization tools. When edit mode is active, you'll be able to add new elements and rearrange your page layout more easily. After that, find the image block in the editor. This is the content block specifically designed for displaying photos or graphics on your website. You'll usually see it in the list of available blocks in the editing panel. Take a moment to locate it before moving on, since this is the element you'll be placing onto the page. Once you've found the image block, drag and drop it into the location on the page where you want the photo to appear. As you move it around, Odoo will usually highlight possible placement areas, which helps you position the image in the right section. Try to place it where it fits naturally with the rest of your content so the page remains clean and balanced. As soon as you drop the image block into place, a window will appear asking you to either upload an image or select one that already exists in your media library. Choose the option that works best for you, then pick the image you want the block to display. Make sure the image you select is appropriate for the section and clear enough to look good on your website. Once the image has been selected, it will appear in the image block on your page. And that's it, you've successfully added a photo to your Odoo website.